Welcome everyone. You know, my last video I did a dragonfly. Fell in love with it so much. I'm going to try and do another dragonfly on a 16 by 20 canvas. Got white acrylic poured on here already. I just got to give it a run through with the torch for some bubbles. And we'll start doing one on the white. I just got in the door from work and the first thing I'm doing is hitting the paint room. Alrighty, so I'm going to do ultramarine blue, the deep purple, Bahama blue, and deep turquoise, which is my favorite. And I might add some grass in. If I do, it's going to be with the evergreen and a little bit of yellow probably. We'll see. We'll see how this turns out. And I'm going to pull the wings of the dragonfly just like my last video with chain again because I thought that worked really well. So let's do the frame of my wings here. This is probably the longest part of it, is just getting the drops of color you want, where you want it. Now this ultramarine, I just got this color in and mixed it up, so this will be the test to see how well I did with the consistency of it. So far so good. I have a feeling I'm really gonna like the white background. Okay, now on to my next color, which I think is going to be the deep purple. And I'm just doing different size puddles. They're not all consistently the same. It's one thing nice about abstract, nothing has to be perfect. Okay, then I'm going to do the deep turquoise in here. And some of your drops can overlap each other because it's all going to mix as you pull the chain through as well. Already loving these colors together. I hope whoever's watching is trying these kind of things at home, because it's sure awesome to make your own masterpieces. Okay, and then the Bahama blue, which is another one I just mixed. It might be a little bit thicker than my other paint, but that's okay. It'll still pull through nicely. Yeah, by the looks of it, this one I have to water down a little bit more with my glue and water mixture. don't know if you can tell, but it's coming out a little bit thicker. Okay, now for the fun part, getting the chain. Pulling it through without making a mess, that's the challenge. Alright, and I'm using my bigger ball of chain. You can usually find them in the stores, two different sizes. This one's a gold one. It's a little bit smaller. This one's quite a bit thicker. Okay. I'm going to start with this guy. Okay, and I'm just going to wipe it quickly with a paper towel. Okay. All right, so far so good. Okay, now this guy. Turning out gorgeous so far. Now this one. Let's put that chain down for now. Because I got another one here I can use. Put this one in water to soak some of that paint off. Okay, so now I want to do the body. Not sure how far down I want to go. And pull some of this color in and down. There we go. Now let's do a little bit of this color up here. See if I can get a design in the line here for the body. And a little bit of the white in. So far, so good. Awesome. Okay. I'm just moving a little bit of the white in to kind of bring my line in a little bit. Blue. Too much blue in there. There we go. I'm just adding a little bit of line in there to give the wing a little bit more color in it. And then I want to break up the wing a little bit in a couple of different areas just to give it a little bit of a rougher edge to it. I'll do the same over here. Just about done, and then I'll be torching it. You see a little blooper here. I got to add some white paint to where I got the chain rubbed there a little bit with some green paint on it. So you just take out your white and just smooth it out. Pretty good. Now I don't even know if I want to do grass on this one. I'm not sure. Bring the white in there again. A little bit of white in here as well. It's pretty awesome. I'm liking this. Really, this was a pretty quick painting. I'm just doing the fine little details that I like to do towards the end. All right. Do I miss anywhere? Right here, I think. A little bit. Okay, let's torch it and see if there's any cells happening in here. Just a little bit, not too much. Okay. You know what? I think I need to stick with my color. The colors I used in the Dragonfly, I should just do a couple of little swoops in there. Just to finish it off. Yeah, I'm going to. Let's do some deep turquoise. A little bit of aquamarine. And a little bit of the Bahama blue. Do I want some of the purple? Yeah, I might as well, hey? A little bit of the purple. Okay. And do I know for sure what I want to do? No, not really. Just gonna wing it here. Wing it. And I'm just gonna do a little swish of color. How's that? Pretty good. Get a little bit more of that blue in there too. Okay, I am calling that done. Perfect. Alrighty. Thanks very much for joining me, everyone.